Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yesi, and I'm back with another video. So, for today's video, I am going to be testing out the Pat McGrath times Bridgerton collection. Well, not the whole collection, but the palette and the blush palette. My two favorite things. So, yeah, if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alrighty. Today we're gonna play with the eyeshadow palette and the blush palette. I am so excited. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna be doing, but I think for today's look I want that defined eye. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my tape. I'm gonna cut two pieces. And I'm going to apply them to the outer part of my eyes just because I want that defined cat eye per se. So I'm just going to align the end of my eye to the end of my eyebrow. Like so. Like that. Do the same thing on this eye. And you want to make sure that they both align. I usually like to grab a brush and see like the angle, like where it falls. And they seem to be on the same angle. So yes. So I've already moisturized my face. I lined the eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and filled them in with the dual powder. They're both in Ebony. I also used the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre to conceal the lids. And I used some of my setting powder. So now we're good to go and use the palette. So I'm going to be using this Pat McGrath times Bridgerton palette, which is this baby right here. I love the colors, blue and purple, so in part with the actual show, which I loved. And this has Flawless My Dear, which is right here. And then these are the 6 eyeshadow palettes right here. I love the detail. Like this one has the bumblebee. And yeah, they're both bumblebees. But do you see? Very nice. Let's see. This is the Diamond of the First Water. It says used with permission. This has an 18-month shelf life if you're interested. And now we're just gonna jump in. I'm gonna be using this Morphe times Mickey and Friends eyeshadow brush in MM5. So it's this blending brush right here, as you can see. And let's see, I think I'm gonna grab this, let's see, Art of the Swoon. So this color, this pink color right here, and I'm gonna apply that to my crease. I'm gonna grab my mirror. So my brush is not really picking up the color. It's taking me a while to build up this color. But nonetheless, it's really pretty. Very pretty color. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go in with Love Match, which is this color right here. And I'm gonna use that apply in the outer part of the crease. So I'm gonna use my Morphe M433, which is this precise shader brush. And I'm gonna grab again this color right here called Love Match and apply it to the outer part of the crease. So actually I'm just gonna apply it to the whole thing, to the whole lid. Just because I want to use that blue shade, but the blue shade is like a topper color. And I really want that blue to pop. Hence why I wore the blue shirt. I hope it doesn't clash, but I usually like to match my makeup to whatever I'm wearing. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe times Mickey and Friends, the MM5 brush. Again with that other pinky shade and just go over those edges. Now I'm going to go in with the reddish color and I'm applying it lightly. I feel like I don't need to go in heavy-handed with this color. It's pretty pigmented. Alright, now I'm going to build some depth. And so I'm going to use another shader brush. What's this color's name? Plum Regalia, which is this color right here. It looks like a dusty purple, but I'm going to use this and apply it to the outer part of my eye just to create some dimension. Okay, I'm gonna grab my Sedona Lace EB15, which looks like this, and I'm gonna apply that dusty purple shade and apply it to this outer corner right here just to build some dimension. And I'm gonna go in with the pinky shade and go over this again. Okay, so this is what everything is looking like. Now I'm gonna go in with the special shade, which is that blue in Regency Blue, which is this right here. But I'm also going to test out the Intensifies Artistry wand from Pat McGrath. I bought it from Sephora because I always use some type of a glitter glue. And let's see, I think this is, okay. So I think I have some product on here. It's like a pen. Click it out. Now I'm going to apply it to this inner part right here. I love the shape. It's a triangle, so you can just swipe it on. And I don't see it picking up the color either, so that's a good thing. Now first I'm going to try to use a brush. So I'm going to grab this Morphe times Mickey and Friends in MM41. It's that shader brush that has the tip. So I'm going to try and grab it with a brush to see if it picks it up. And then apply it. Nah, I don't have the patience. So I'm just gonna grab it with my finger and apply it. Okay, so just gonna grab that brush again and fix this part right here. That is such a beautiful color. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna grab that Morphe M443 and just, which had that red color, and just blend this out right here. I want the red to show. And blend these colors. That's such a pretty color. Now I'm going to go in with that pink shade and go over these edges. All right. Okay, so I am content with the eye look. I'm going to finish my complexion and then I'm going to come back so we can try out the blush palette. So I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I'm back. I added some winged eyeliner, I added some lashes, and I added the lips. So now we're gonna test out the Pat McGrath times Bridgerton blush palette, and this is Love at First blush. How cute is that? And these are the blushes right here. So beautiful. So I'm gonna grab my blush brush. Let's see. And I am going to, let's see, I'm gonna start with the lighter one, which is called Nymphette, this one right here, and then we'll intensify with the pink just because I want to see how it looks. Okay, I'm gonna smile and apply that to the cheeks. Let me grab my mirror. So pretty. It has a nice radiance. Very pretty. Now I'm going to add the pink. That's such a pretty color. Yeah, it's really pink. Very, but it has, it's like a satin, because I can see like a glow, which is really pretty. You look hydrated, like you had your 8 cups of water a day. Not mad at it. Not mad at it. I feel like I put a little bit too much blush over here, so I'm just toning it down. All right, now I'm gonna apply the, by the way, that pink blush is called Cherish Nymphette, and this is Venus Nectar right here, which is the highlighter. So I'm gonna go in with that with my Anastasia brush in 823. Ooh, that is so pretty. wonder if it leaves a cast. Wow, that's pretty. Wow, that's so beautiful. Very pretty. Let me blend this out. Alrighty. Now I'm going to go back into the blush because I forgot an inner corner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this color right here called Iconic Ingenue, which is this color right here, and I'm going to apply this to the inner corner. I'm not sure if it's going to be light enough for the inner part, but we're going to try it out. It's like a pinky color, and figured it was pretty light. Has like a pink shift to it. Yeah. Alrighty. So this is what the eyeshadow looks like. And I gotta say, I like it a lot. I really do. I mean, this is clashing, this shirt. I thought I was cool by putting this color, but it's two different colors. This is more like a turquoise bright color, and this blue is like a royal blue. It's not that bright, but it's beautiful. All right, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I really like it. I mean, these colors are, I'm pretty sure you have them in your collection, except for that blue color. That's one of, I want to say Pat's special shades, which is nice that she added it to one of these $65 eyeshadow palettes. But yeah, I'm not used to these. I feel like, let's see, these two colors right here, which is the red and the pink, these two are more like a cream to powder, because when I was putting my brush in there, it didn't pick up as much or as I thought it would. It took me a while to build the color up, but it's a pretty nice palette. I really enjoyed it. I am excited to keep trying this out and maybe use it where I'm not using that blue color. Maybe see, it's kind of hard because I mean there's only so many colors you can use with this palette, but I'm hoping I can create another look that doesn't look like this one. So that's gonna be my challenge, is to come up with another look that doesn't look like this or is not similar to this one. So I really like it though. I really love the colors. And for the blush palette, I gotta say I enjoyed this blush palette. The colors are, they're buildable. The pink shade is gorgeous and it's very pigmented, so go with a light hand, you don't need that much. And this highlighter is beautiful, 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 beautiful. So I'm happy that I bought these two products from the collection. I'm a big fan. So yeah, that's what I think. I love the look. You guys have to let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think? So yeah, I will catch you on the next one. Bye.